Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by naming the assignment's exact outcome and KPI. This anchors every decision. Once done, pull the brand brief, analytics access, and 2 competitor examples so you're not guessing. Then write a 1-page strategy, target audience, value proposition, channels, and a single testable hypothesis. Make sure to keep it tight. This is your North Star. You'll use that 1 page to brief collaborators, prioritize tasks, and prevent scope creep as you move into execution. You now translate strategy into a concrete plan. First, pick 2 channels that best match your audience and map channel-specific KPIs. Next, build a content calendar in 1-week sprints with 3 content types and a clear CTA for each asset. Then allocate budget and time. Use a 70/30 split, 70% to what scales, 30% to tests. Assign owners for each task so nothing lingers. Once those pieces are in place, set measurable tracking so results feed back into You finish by running a thorough QA. Check tracking, links, and creative across devices, proofread everything. Then compile deliverables, an executive summary that states outcomes, the raw data, and recommended next steps tied to KPIs. Deliver confidently and schedule a short review meeting to walk stakeholders through results. If metrics miss targets, don't panic. Isolate one variable, rerun a focus test, and document what changed. That loop test, learn, adjust, is the only reliable way to recover and improve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.